Aisha.
There's a question from somebody. Whenever anybody is sick, whether a good or bad person, people always pray for him for his long life. The question is, why even the righteous people are afraid of death?
You know, when you pray, you are not almighty and all knowledgeable. And when you pray, you do not know where the life, the extended life of that person, so it appears, would be good or bad. So you pray with good intentions. When you pray for a good person, you also pray that he may die as a good person if death has come. And when you pray for a bad person, you pray that Allah give him good or her good health, and in the remaining life, the patient should improve his spiritual quality as well, and make best use of the new allotted time. So there's no harm in praying for a bad or a bad person as well. Is that the question which you want to think?